how to sell individualized, customizable products on Etsy. And no, I'm not talking about just selling your standard print-on-demand product. I'm talking about selling individualized products for each customer. So it could have their name on the t-shirt, or the country or the state or the town that they're from. That is truly customizable. I'm not talking about this kind where it's just, your classic print-on-demand t-shirts. Most of my print-on-demand sales have come from customizable orders just like this. Granted, when I was doing it, I used to sell them on Teespring with Facebook ads. Now that isn't actually possible, but the next best way to do this is to actually sell them on Etsy, as they have a personalization feature. So in this video, I want to show you exactly that, how you can use Printful and Etsy to sell personalized products. And it will be a very simple and short video, so let's get right into it. Firstly, we have to go to Printful and make sure this setting is enabled. So let's go over to Printful. You've got your Printful. You need to go into settings. You need to then go into orders, and then you need to pick your online store. So I'm going to pick this one, and then you can scroll down, and this is one of my Etsy stores, and it's still a very new store just for testing really. But you can see here under sync as you go, it says import personalized orders as drafts. You want to make sure that is ticked. What that means is when someone orders something on Etsy as a personalized order, Printful won't automatically fulfill it and send it to them. They'll import it as a draft. Then you can go in and customize that product. So if someone orders it with their name, let's say their name is Morris, you can go in and customize that product, put their name Morris on, and then click fulfill, and then Printful will fulfill the order. So that's the first thing, right? Once you tick that, you have to click save. Then we have to go and add the personalization feature onto one of our Etsy products. Now, if you don't have an Etsy product, you can just create one. I'm going to use this product that I created just about an hour ago, just as an example to show you. So this product is, of course, I'm awesome, I'm a, and then the surname of the person. These are one of the shirts I used to sell a lot of back in the day on Teespring. So all you have to do is go to the listings, scroll down all the way past everything until you go past pricing, right? And then you see here, personalization. So I have it on. Let's turn it off. And then if I put it back on, you'll see instructions for buyer. So enter your surname below and it will be used on the t-shirt for you. And then this is what the buyer will see, right? Add your personalization, enter your surname below. Right, once you've done that and you've saved that, let's just click view your listing, and then we can see what it would look like, right? So we can see price £10.90, primary color, size, and then personalization. So if I put Morris in, I can add it to the basket, and bam. Once that person buys with that name, or any name for that matter, it will go to Printful as a draft. We will get a notification, then we can go into Printful and fulfill that order with their specific name. And that's pretty much it. Now for me, I have this file on Canva where, let me make the background a different color so you can see. And this is what it looks like, right? If I get a Morris buy, all I need to do is go in here and just change that to Morris. If I get a, I don't know, another name, a Richmond buying, I can just go there and put it there. If I get, give me another surname. Lewis. There you go. Or Lewis, however you want to spell it. You can just simply do that and then download it and then upload it into Printful when someone buys and into their specific order. It's really, really simple. The only annoying thing about all of this is it's time consuming. It will be very hard to scale this kind of thing, because if you're getting 30 orders a day, that means you are manually putting in 30 names and fulfilling those 30 orders. Even though it should only take you a few minutes, I personally think it's worth it, especially if you're starting out. If you've got, an extra hour in the day to be able to do this, I definitely think it's worth it, because at the end of each day, if you get 30 orders, you can just spend, 20 or 30 minutes doing this for each order, and then the next day doing the same thing. Now, if you're getting more than 30 sales, that's absolutely amazing. But let's just stick to 30 sales at the moment, because you might be thinking that's not very many sales, but it actually is, because with this kind of customizable, personalized product, you can actually sell it for a lot more. So your profit margin per item would be between $5 and $10, and a lot of the time it could be over $10. So if you're selling 30 items, you're looking at making $150 to $300 profit every single day, which is a lot of money, especially for print on demand, right? So yes, it will take you a bit of time, there's a bit of manual labor, but it's 100% worth it. Now that you know how to do it, will you join the personalization movement that is on Etsy, that is doing so well? All of these big time sellers on Etsy are selling personalized products. So will you join them and add a couple of personalized products to your listings? Let me know in the comments down below. And finally, I just want to say a massive thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.